Hello friends, welcome back to the PSD vlogs. After a long time I am back with the video that is for the review of a PC headset what we have bought earlier. In this I have used about 2 months, but after a long use of 2 months I sincerely request you to buy this product. That is a Philips Dynamic Sound Philips PC headset. That this product is extremely good with the quality as at the back side of this.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates.
Gaming chat, PC entertainment, dynamic sound, Philips PC headset, soft cushion for longer listening, mute and volume control is there. There is toggle is there on the headphone itself. Philips, as you know, the brand itself tells the story all about this. Looking at the back side of this Philips PC headset, there is the product name is PC headset and product code is SHM7410U97 and one unit is present in this, the main unit, and one stereo pin is there where you can attach both the mic as well as the sound speakers to the mobile. So 2 pin, there is the holder. I will show you in this, and the MRP is about 1299. It's an imported product. And talking about the warranty, it is not specified on the box. 3.5mm into 2 jacks and optional 2 into 1 pin converter is there. You can see on the left side of the box, mute volume control, 32mm speaker drive is there. It can provide the frequency range is given 10 to 20,000 hertz frequency is measured, and 50 to 1500 hertz, and 106 decibel sound is produced by these speakers, and minus 42 decibels up till 32 ohms and 2.2k ohms impedance is there, and 100 megawatt maximum power input is there. You can see on the right side of the box, and there is clear view of the, and just we are going to open this from the above side probably. Okay, this is the box clearly shown. I got from the Flipkart, and this is the packing what we get. Talking about the headphones, just remove it. We will remove it from this box, and this is what we are talking about, the Philips on off of the mute. You can mute it from the here itself, so there is no need to mute the sound from the computer. And good quality plastic is there. Just remove the 2 pins. That is the one is for the white one is for the headphones, and this is for the mic what we have got from this. And this is tangle free wire, and the wire is about 3.2 meters, I think so. It's a too long wire. You can see it here. It's a beautiful quality wire. It's very long, approximately 2 feet, no, 3-4 feet, 4 to 5 feet. And talking about the headphones are having the good quality plastic, made of plastic, extendable up to this mark, and the mic is very elegant mic which comes down and you can hear it from this. Okay, and what is most likely about this headphone is very lightweight, and moreover it's a cheap competitive as the Philips branding is there to this. Moreover, we are talking about the sound quality, and what is there? Nothing is there. Nothing more is there in this box. And this is the what we have talked about, the 2-pin converter. You can have this while you have one pin only for the both the mic and the sound as the mobile phone convenient. This is the convenience what we are finding in this. And moreover, talking about the product, I have used it about 2 to 3 months, and the quality is very nice. Bass is very low as compared, but the voice and what the gaming need is that you can play PUBG Mobile on this, because I have played on this, and Fortnite and all the games which needs the mic and headphone. So this is the ultimate choice for the budget headphone owners. So please like, share and subscribe the video. If you like the video, we will continue with the various vlog sessions, and soon we are coming with the QA session, which is of the Murud Janjira, that we have cost about 1.5k views, and I have crossed about 1500 subscribers. So thank you everyone for being a part of this PSG vlogs, and we will continue to our next height. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. Stop कहाँ से होता है भाई?